Hello friends, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make this amazing Ghanaian palmnut soup. So let's get into this video. Guys, you know how much I love using fresh spices for my food. Yes, so I'm peeling in here a large onion and I'm using few ginger roots. Yeah, so this ginger root is actually organic, but I love to clean, a little bit, not completely off the skin. Yeah, so go ahead and cut the onion into two, and we're gonna use the other half later on. On the side, I have habanero pepper and garlic. I'm gonna add that. So I'm gonna blend everything together, and then we're gonna get our meat ready. So I have here some smoked turkey that I smoked myself, and I have here some smoked chicken as well, and that is what we're going to use for our soup. So you have your pot ready, go ahead and add your meat. You can add any favorite meat of your choice. I'm adding some mushrooms, herrings, mackerel, add any meat that you feel like you want to use it. And then I'm going to add here fresh tomatoes. I'm adding habanero pepper, and I'm adding the half onion. So after you're done, go ahead and add salt, and then you can add any seasoning that you have in your pantry. So I'm adding here paprika and a few spices that I have here in my pantry, and I'm adding makusam, that is hot pepper powder. So this is my seasoning. I just blend everything and I'm adding in the soup. Add a little bit of water and then cover it and then have it simmer. So you know how strong Ghanaian soup is, you know what I mean? So I decided to cook this soup outside because yes, abenkwan is so strong and you don't want your house to be smelly, especially when you have guests around, you know what I mean? So I'm using this abemudro. I usually use the blend from Precious. Unfortunately, when I went to the market today, I couldn't find some, so I decided to try this one out, and I hope it's as good as Precious. Yeah, so what I usually do is that I cut the bottom and the top. That is easily for me. Do whatever works for you, but this is how I do mine because I feel like it's very easy. You don't have to struggle with it. So yeah, so the soup has been steaming for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna be adding here palm cream. But before then, let me just remove all my vegetable because I'm gonna blend it and add it in the soup later on. Yeah, so this is the perfect time to add your palm cream. This is how I usually do it. Some people add water before they add the palm cream. Some add palm cream before they add water. It's just up to you. Either way, it's all gonna cook. I'm adding here prekese. I've been quite with that prekese. Naturally, and then add here some warm water. And cover it, have it boil. So it's been boiling for about 25 minutes. At this point of time, you can add tomato or tomato paste and cover and have it simmer for about 30 minutes, and then look at that, it is ready. You know how benkwan is, it comes out with a lot of oil, so just go ahead and remove the excess oil. This oil is actually good for making ampisi. Yes, it's very, very delicious when you add it. So next we have our fufu ready. That's what we're gonna serve with this soup. But you can actually enjoy this soup with rice ball, kenke, bangkun, kunkunte, face the wall. Yeah, just like that. Soup looks so delicious, guys. So on this weekend, you can actually make this soup for your loved ones and then enjoy with them. So I'm adding here cooked okra because that's what we usually eat the soup with. But if you don't like it, you can surely skip that. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share and like.
There is no doubt the Ghana is the next big thing. If you are looking to stay away from the hustling and bustling of the city life in Accra and want a more serene atmosphere surrounded by nature and beautiful greenery landscapes, look no further. At Orchard Creek Estate, we are building an inclusive Pan-African community right in the heart of the country, Awutu Senya West. Just few minutes away from major hospital, highway, schools, and only 65-minute drive to Kotoka International Airport, Orchard Creek Estate is the next big thing. With Orchard Creek Estate, All plots of land is litigation-free, legally registered, demarcated, and fully serviced with access to water and electricity, which means no land guards, no court issues, and 100% peace of mind. We also provide an affordable payment plan that allows you the flexibility of paying off without down payment requirements. Yes, you heard that right. No down payment requires, which means you get to pay in a flexible way that works for you, your budget, and your lifestyle. If you are ready to start building a sustainable lifestyle, channel your ancestral connection, and dive in Ghana's rich culture, call us today and let's make your dream come to life. Don't wait to buy a land in Archer Creek Estate. Buy a land in Archer Creek Estate and wait.